Pero hindi 30 pixels.
Thanks.
Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan, no? Wala nga.
Quick unboxing. iPhone 16 Pro Max. 512 GB. Desert Titanium. SIM card tray, volume rocker, and customizable silent button. Power button and camera shutter button. SIM card ejector tool and charging cable.
The 16 Pro Max is the biggest and heaviest iPhone, measuring 6.42 by 3.06 by 0.32 inches, HWD, and 7.99 ounces.
Charging port, speaker grill and microphone.
iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 4,685 mAh battery inside, which is up about 6% in capacity compared with the 15 Pro Max. Competing Android flagships typically have batteries of about 5,000 mAh. Apple says the 16 Pro Max can play local video files for up to 33 hours, stream online video files for up to 29 hours, and play audio for up to 105 hours. The 6.9-inch Pro Max has a resolution of 2868 by 1320 pixels at a density of 460 pixels per inch, ppi. It is the largest ever screen on an iPhone. Apple was able to increase the size of the screens by squeezing the bezels into a minimal black strip around the display. The true depth camera for Face ID is hidden in the dynamic island at the top of the screen. Face ID continues to be one of the top biometric security technologies of any consumer device. The refresh rate can change from 1 Hz to save power up to 120 Hz for smooth performance. The screen supports an always-on mode, which means you can keep a wallpaper with several widgets visible at all times. The panel produces 1000 nits of brightness, typical, with HDR brightness reaching 1600 nits and peak brightness reaching 2000 nits. The brightness, combined with the high contrast ratio of 2 million to 1 and fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating, make for a superb display that looks great indoors and out. From a hardware perspective, the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max now share identical camera arrangements. Each has a 48MP main camera with an aperture of f1.78 and optical image stabilization. This camera, which Apple calls a fusion camera, blends high-resolution 48MP snaps with 12MP quad-buyer shots, binned by a factor of 4, to create 24MP final images. Apple claims these pictures include the detail of the 48MP shot with the light sensitivity of the binned 12MP shot. This camera can also take 2x digital telephoto shots by using the central 12MP of the sensor. And that is the unboxing of iPhone 16 Pro Max.